Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your computer's firmware on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you're facing issues with your system firmware or you see a yellow warning triangle in Device Manager, don't worry. This means your firmware needs an update, and I'll guide you step by step. First, open your computer's web browser, like Chrome or Edge. Now go to Google and type your computer manufacturer's name, followed by drivers. For example, if you're using an HP laptop, type HP drivers and press enter. From the search results, make sure you open the official website of your computer's manufacturer. Once the website opens, you will see options for different devices like laptops and desktops. Select your device category. Now, to continue, you need to know your PC model. Go to the Windows search bar, type System Information, and open it. A window will appear where you can see your system details. Look for System Model. This is your PC model number. Now go back to Website and type your system model into the search box. Then press Enter. This will take you to your specific device's driver page. Scroll down on this page and find a section called BIOS or Firmware. Expand that section and you will see the latest firmware update available. Click on the Download button to download the firmware file. Once the file is downloaded, open it to start the installation. The installer will open. Click Next, accept the terms and conditions, and then click Next again to continue. Now the installer will begin updating your system firmware. A window may appear asking whether you want to update the current computer or create a recovery USB. Make sure the update option is selected, then click Next. After that, you will be asked to restart your computer. Choose Restart Now, so the update can begin immediately. Your system will restart, and that's it. Updating your computer's firmware is actually very simple if you follow these steps carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials.